All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Day Trading Futures with JD, and I'm JD. All right, so this video is going to be over the 4 steps to take before you place a trade. All right, so step 1, go to the 1-hour chart. When you get to the 1-hour chart, you want to hide all of your indicators. So that you have a clean board to look at, a clean chart to look at. Next, I like to find, you need to find support and resistance. The way I find support and resistance is I use this line feature to make things a lot easier when you're looking at it. Then you want to look left for several days on the 1-hour chart. Then once you have that, draw your support and resistance lines. You want to go to above the price and to below the price, current price. Let's see, that's, yeah, I'm happy with that one. All right. This one doesn't need to be there. All right, once you have that, you need to find the trend. The way we find the trend is by using the 50 EMA. The reason why we use the 50 EMA is because most day traders on YouTube, they are intraday traders, meaning they hold positions overnight. Most day traders, especially to be a real day trader, you know that not a real day trader, but for the real word of the day meaning of day trader, you want to be in and out of positions within an hour or two. You don't want to hold positions overnight. So that's why I use the 50 EMA as my trend. It seems to work pretty good. I haven't had any problems with that. It seems to catch everything about the right time. And we'll go back to candles. And then the last step is to add all of your indicators. Of course, I recommend using my indicator that I coded, which it should be still public. I've been appealing trading views blocking of my strategy, so hopefully it'll be public. I'll put a link down in the description. If not, you know, I'll update in the next video. And then I also have coded the Divergence Indicator that actually uses plain language instead of bullish. You know, it'll just say trend continuing, or trend reversal rather. And then I'm starting to add the stochastic as well, just to check and see if that will help fine-tune my strategy. But that's it. Those are 4 steps to take before entering a trade. If you feel like you have paper traded long enough to where you feel like you're profitable, and you feel like you have a strategy that works for you, maybe you should consider trading with someone else's money. I would recommend the prop firm Apex Trader Funding. They are still running their 50% off. This is the last month that they're going to do this. Should end at the end. This should end at the end of March, and it's 50% off of any evaluation. I'll put the code in the description. Even though this is March 2022, if you see this video, you know, 2 or 3 years from now, that code will be the same code to get you the best discount. It'll be down in the description. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to wrap up from here. Just a quick, short video, and I hope you're getting something out of my channel. If you have any requests, you want to see something, put it down in the comments. And If I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and stay tuned to the next one.